Today I'm in Munising to go on a cruise with Pictured Rocks Cruises. Their classic tour takes you out onto Lake Superior for about 2.5 to 3 hours to see all of this. Behind me is the Pictured Rocks Express, and we're about to board the boat and go on the classic tour, and while we do that, I'll tell you a little bit about it. Let's go. We got our tickets and walked right on the boat. Each boat has an upper and lower deck with plenty of comfortable seating and restrooms. Personally, I like the upper deck, but the lower deck allows folks to stay out of the elements and still enjoy the views. Our narrated tour brought us by the East Channel Lighthouse, Miners Castle, Battleship Rocks, and like a whole lot more. Pictured Rocks Cruises is an efficient way to see the National Lakeshore, and if you enjoy photography and epic scenery like I do, you'll have a great time.